Hello CTOA, this is Honeybeth Wiggs, Certified Health Coach. It was an honor and a joy to meet so many of you last week at the discount day. I was able to attend and go to the locations and meet many of you, hear some wonderful stories, and have some great conversations. So thank you for sharing your lives and your time with me. I really do appreciate that. I wanted to just give you a little information about what I'm doing through the end of the month, just as a reminder for those of you who are interested in starting your health journey and creating that long-term health. What I do as a health coach is really help people understand that they can create health instead of react to disease. And there's a big difference in learning how to fuel your body and care for your body in many aspects makes all the difference in the world. We help people not only nutritionally, but understand what kind of movement is good for you and how to handle stress and inflammation within the body. We talk about sleep and do some studies on that and understand why it's important and why your body needs it and what happens during those sleep cycles and water intake and so much more. And it's just a joy to work with people and help them understand all those components. I love working with people who have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, even diabetes, type 1 and type 2. We have an opportunity with type 2 diabetics to sometimes reduce, even eliminate medications just by creating long-term health, and it makes a difference when you understand how to fuel your body. Also, I do nutrition consultations and help people figure out how many calories they should be eating and what those calories should be made up of, how many servings of protein, dairy, whole grains, fruit they should be eating every day, and really help them understand how to fuel their body appropriately. So with our program, if there's weight loss or some type of health goal, we have three components: nutrition, education, and a health coach. With the nutrition, for a short period of time, as a catalyst, we use some medically formulated meal replacements. I mentioned eating 6 times a day. 5 of those meals are going to be provided for you, and you're going to then fix one meal on your own. It's going to be lean and green. 5 to 7 ounces of protein and 3 servings of non-starchy green vegetables. So by fixing that one meal, preparing it on your own or eating it out at a restaurant, and then having the 5 meal replacements, you're going to eat 6 times a day. The meal replacements are full of every vitamin, mineral, nutrient that your body needs. So it's going to get everything for you. It's going to be fast, easy, goof-proof. You won't even have to think about it. It's great for your busy schedules. And then what's going to happen is once you reach your goal, and it's going to happen quickly, I'm going to work with you to go through a little transition period and then into maintenance, where I'm going to do that nutrition consultation with you, understand, okay, where am I now? How many calories do I need? What does this look like? How do I use all whole foods moving forward, eating them 6 times a day? So we're with you every step of the way in figuring all of that out. We get you to your health goal, we go through transition, and we set you up for long-term success. It really is the difference of changing the mindset to long-term health that you can create versus reacting to disease. And we want to set people up for success. So we do that with the education component, the second component. Your first order is going to have a book and a workbook that I'm going to help guide you through, and it's going to talk about all the things that I mentioned. And without that, I would not be healthy today. I spent 25 years in morbid obesity, so having that education is critical, and I love helping people go through that information and figure it out for themselves and make a plan of action that will work. And then the third component is a health coach. You never pay your health coach a dime. We're complimentary, absolutely free. Looking forward to helping you. So that's our program. That's what we do. That's how we do it. And those are our goals. I wanted to tell you about some of the things that I'm doing. If you allow me to facilitate your first order by November 27th, then I will enter you into a drawing for a free second month. So your first month is going to be $399.50. It's about $12 a day. So on average, for $12 a day, you'll get 33 days of meal replacements. You'll also get your education component, and then I'll help you start. The other thing that I wanted to mention is that for those of you who are ready to start, I have a 60-day challenge. So from December 1st through the end of January, for 60 days, the person who has the biggest and highest percentage of weight loss, will win 2 nights at the Gaylord Texan in Dallas, Texas. So you'll have 2 nights at the beautiful resort plus $200 room credit. So you'll have a nice little vacation for you to use anytime you want. You just let me know and I'll make the arrangements. So that's the second thing that I have going on, that 60-day challenge. Totally free, no cost. You just let me know that you want to start it. You do have to be on our program for 2 months for the 60 days, but that's the only thing. And since you'll be doing it anyways, then why not go ahead and enter the contest for free. The third thing I wanted to remind you of is that we have a referral incentive going on. So if this program is not for you, however you have family members or friends that might be interested, I work with clients all over the United States. And even if you want to do the program, for every person that you refer to me, family member or friend, that will be $50 off of your second order. So if you go ahead and refer 2 people, 2 family members, and they place their orders by November 27th, then that's $100 off of your second order. And that's unlimited. So as many people as you refer and they get them in touch with me and they become clients, then that's $50 on your account towards your next order. So those 3 things are going on. The first order, let me facilitate that, and then the 60-day challenge, the first order, and then free second month, you'll be entered in a drawing for that. The 60-day challenge with the getaway in Dallas and the $50 referral credits. So lots of things going on there. I just wanted to make sure everybody was clear about. You can contact me, Honey Beth Wiggs, at 919-250-8030, 919-250-8030, or you can email me, hbwiggs@aol.com, hbwiggs@aol.com. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.